Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is the art of growing plants and vegetables on a small piece of land. Gardening is mostly done either in the backyard on front space of the house. Some people plant flowers to decorate their garden. Gardening gives us fresh and healthy vegetables. Gardening helps produce happy hormones in the human body. Gardening is a body way to keep oneself engaged with nature. It also helps is maintaining good physical fitness. Gardening is also good for mental health and peace. Many people prefer gardening as their hobby. Gardening, organic gardening, miniature gardening, kitchen gardening, etc. are some type of gardenings. A garden, a bound piece of land which is situated either in the front of or back side of our home. The art of planting trees, flowers, grass, shrubs, and vegetables by using fertilizers, smart agricultural tools in a limited space of our home is called gardening. Gardening is a branch of horticulture. Gardening is also considered as a therapy that helps our body in the increasing the happy hormone level, and gardening help us to grow the vegetables that are sufficient for our needs. Vegetables grows in our garden are more healthy, tasty, nutrients and chemical free. We can easily grow vegetables according to our choice, and along with the growing vegetables we can also plant flowers or different varieties, flowers of lively colors and soothe of eyes, and bring positive vibes in our home. Gardening help us to decorate and added a beauty of our room, our home. In this holistic lifestyle, gardening is the best activity that keeps us fit and healthy. Doing gardening regulates our gland for metabolisms. It also provides. Thanks for watching.